On today's body cam, we're checking out woman goes berserk after finding out she's wanted.
On February 19th, 2026, officers responded to the Elgin post office after reports that a woman was causing a disturbance inside the building.
You know what?
Post office called us too.
Nobody will cash my money order. I bought it 4 months ago in November in Chicago.
Okay.
I've gone there 3 different times to cash it. And they always say they have no money. They have no money. 4 different clerks.
Who has no money?
The federal P.O. box, the federal,
Can I see it?
yeah. And I got the receipt, I got the stub, I got the check, and every place that I go, they said they don't have no money. 3 different times, 4 different clerks. So I got fed up with it the last time, and I went to the currency exchange. They said it's not going through.
Yeah.
I said, what do you mean it's not going through?
Yeah. I mean, why don't you go back to whoever you bought it from?
I did. That's where I went.
Yeah.
I went there 3 different times.
And they said what?
They said, go to the next clerk. I don't have the money in my drawer.
Where is that?
On Clark, the USPS
Oh,
on
in
Clark.
Chicago?
In Chicago.
Oh.
So I did, and I went to 4 different clerks. I went back in. None of them had any money in their drawer. So I went back a 2nd time, a 3rd time, and then finally I said, "This is bullshit."
Yeah.
I said, "You know, you took my money. You gave me the money
How
order."
much is it for?
It's like it was for to renew my box out there, which I already renewed, but I wanted to extend it for the year, so I bought a 2nd money order.
She looks familiar, man. Or maybe it's that jacket. I don't know. She looked familiar, man. Why she got that suitcase? She just got that suitcase rolling around. Yo, she looks super familiar, though.
This is the money order. It's $94. And now they're telling me the lady Peru was going to cash it, but the gentleman next to her told her no.
Did we do a video of her before? Gosh, I gotta look this up.
Call Chicago, the post
Well, I mean, I don't think it's the post office's fault, but they're trying to cash it for you, right?
Peru is going to cash it.
Yeah.
But the gentleman next to her, Javier, told her not to.
Why though?
He told her to go call the Chicago post office.
Which you already did.
She called and now she said they can't cash it.
Okay.
Didn't get her name. They said she was a supervisor, but I didn't get her name. So they said step down here, and I did.
Can I see your ID?
Sure. Hang on 1 second. I got all my IDs are in here. I don't want them to fall out.
So, I mean, I think you have to go back to Chicago.
I did. I went 3 different times. They don't have the cash.
But we're not going to be able to help you with that here.
Yes, the federal government is the same. I could go to Hawaii and cash this check. I don't have to go back to where
Why wouldn't they do it here then, if that's the case?
Peru is going to do it. P-A-R-U.
But
Javier next to her said, no, don't do it. And he pulled her aside and
She said I could go to Hawaii and cash this.
talked to her. And then she went
It looked like that's where she going with the suitcase.
to call the post office. And then she came back and said, you need to go talk to the supervisor. Now, the supervisor is going to cash it. But what she said is she needed my receipt. I said,
600.
you don't need my receipt.
25.
You don't need my receipt. She wanted my receipt. She wanted my
You have the receipt?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay, so then what happened?
She wanted my receipt, and I said, no, you can't have my receipt. It's mine.
Why
You're
didn't
not
you
going
just
to
show
take
it to her, though?
Huh?
Why didn't you just show it to her?
I did. I
Oh,
showed it to her,
you
but
did
she
that.
wanted it.
Yeah. Oh.
I said, no, you don't need it. All you need is the stub and
But
the
then
check.
you did give it to her.
Huh?
Then you did give it to her.
No, I didn't give her the receipt.
Well, why don't we just give her the receipt and then she'll cash
I don't
it?
want her to have the receipt. That's
Can I see
mine.
the receipt? I mean, if it's going to get you a $94 check cash.
No. You know why? Because then I have nothing to prove that I bought this.
Well, she's going to give it back to you. I think she's
No,
going to
she
look
isn't.
at it.
No, she wanted it. She needed it.
Can I see
showed me. She showed me in her system
Yeah.
that she needed to have the receipt. I said, you can manipulate anything in the system. Here, it's kind of ripped up.
Yeah, that's the receipt, all right.
Yeah, it matches
see what
the
the
serial
issue
number.
is.
So what they're doing is they're putting this through their feeder, their reader.
Yeah.
And they said, oh, it's not reading it.
Okay.
I said, how can you not read it? It's
Yeah.
so legible. It's so legible. But I said the currency exchange when I went
Can
to
I have
Chicago,
those? And let me go see if I can get it cashed for you.
not the receipt.
Well, I'm going to bring it all back. I'm not going to let them take
No,
it.
no. I don't want. I'm hanging on to the receipt.
Well, we're trying to help you here.
No, I know that. And that's exactly what she said. You're not. You can take the stub and you can take the check and you can cash it, but you're not getting the receipt.
So what do you want to do now?
Well, they're not going to do nothing.
Okay.
At first, they told me to come back tomorrow. Well, I've got stuff that I'm doing here in Chicago because there'll be somebody here to cash it tomorrow.
Oh, someone else?
Yeah, that's what they told me initially. But then
Yeah, I don't know. Her story ain't adding up. But I did find it though. We did this. This got it. This is the same lady, isn't it? This is the same lady. Let me see. Wait, where'd she go?
Good.
After running her
well, I've got
Look at this lady. This got it. This is the same lady. I'm trying to tell you. Heck yeah, that's the same lady, man. Same jacket. It looks similar. Same jacket. Yeah, we did a video on her 3 months ago. Still at the post office. Going nuts. But this body cam footage says in the corner 2025. In the corner there. Let me see.
Lower your tone.
my name is here.
Let me see.
Yeah, that's 3/26, 2025.
And they're changing the name on it.
Yeah, her and these money orders or something. Her in the post office or something. Yo, so she's back at it, huh? Frequent flyer.
That stuff that I'm
why?
doing here in Chicago because there'll be somebody here to cash it tomorrow.
Oh, someone else?
Yeah, that's what they told me initially. But then
Good.
After running her information, officers discovered she had 2 outstanding warrants, one from DuPage County for a suspended license and another from Stevenson County for domestic battery.
Door.
that I bought this money.
Damn. And she
You know what I
fight.
mean? So I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna let they can have the check and they can have the money order. Huh? She didn't want the copy. She wanted the original. That's what I told her. I said, you can make a copy of it and have it for your records, but I'm keeping the original. She didn't want that.
Can I see your ID again, please? The one in your
God.
passport, please? Right there, in your hand.
My passport?
No, the one in your passport that you handed to me.
No, you know what? They're not going to cash the check. They told me to come back tomorrow. So somebody obviously is going to drop the money off and give me the damn money. And that's what they're going to do. I'm not coming back tomorrow.
Where are you staying at now?
I'm staying in Chicago.
What brings you all the way out here?
I do my laundry out here. Because I used to live out here I'm from Elgin.
Yeah.
You know, and I do come out here every week and do my laundry. So, you know what? I'm comfortable there. I've taken my laundry other places and I don't like it, so I'd rather take the train ride. I'm retired, so you know what?
Did you go by Jennifer or Jenny?
It doesn't make any difference.
Okay.
I go by whatever.
Okay.
People call me, and that's what it is.
Did you know that you got a warrant for yourself for your suspended license?
I don't have a suspended license.
Well, you have a warrant
No, I don't.
out of DuPage County.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. I don't have a suspended license. I
Okay.
got my license and my state ID. I got everything out of here. I got everything.
Well,
And
we're
it's
gonna
all good.
sort this out. Can I see
See?
that again?
Just because you have a license doesn't mean it's valid. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Can I see
See
it?
what?
Your license that you're showing me.
This is not my address.
Okay.
This is not
can I
my
see it?
address. The girl who took my identity is living there. I got kicked out. My husband kicked me out.
Are you Jennifer?
Huh?
Are you Jennifer?
It doesn't make any difference who I am.
Okay. I mean, are you going to cooperate or not? Because we're going to place you into custody.
Why?
Nope, she's not gonna cooperate, ladies. So y'all know what y'all gotta do. You know, I like it when it's the lady on lady action. You know what I mean? You know, you got the lady cops with the lady suspect. You know, she's not acting right. So you know what that means. Gotta get her together, man.
You're putting me in
For
a
your
custody.
warrant. You have two.
I haven't driven since 21.
Okay, put your hands behind your back.
What are you doing?
Put your hands behind your back. Don't resist, okay? I'm gonna take your backpack off.
Don't resist.
Wait a minute. We're gonna take this off, all right? And I will put you into custody if you don't do this.
Why are you doing this? So you're gonna take my shit.
No, I'm
you're
not
gonna
gonna take
take
your
my
stuff.
shit.
Okay.
Yeah, you are.
Stop. We're not gonna take your stuff. Calm down.
Calm down. What are you doing?
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Oh boy. Oh, to the ground. Hold on.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh yeah.
You
The last incident was March of 2025, and we here in February of 2026, man. Almost a year. Going back to jail.
Resisting. Stop resisting.
No.
Unbelievable.
Okay. Can you slip her back?
Yeah. Yeah.
Stop resisting. Okay? We're trying to help you.
You're
going to cooperate.
From me.
All right, you're going to cooperate.
You. You. You mother.
If you don't resist, it's not going to be hard like this, okay?
Let go of me. You.
In custody. Stop resisting. Okay? Try slipping it off her feet.
I'm trying. Let me up.
There you go.
Let me up. Let me up.
We're going to put you in the back of the car.
Yes,
Okay?
of course I'm going to sit
All right.
in the back of
On your butt. Sit on your butt. Okay? Now roll up onto your knee. We're going to help you up.
You're going to help me up, you fat. You fat mother.
Just some warrant something.
A warrant?
Yeah.
I haven't done it since 21. Stop. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You
Hold on.
You are my shit for them. Stop. You're taking my shit for them.
I gotta be real with you, man. Situations like this is sad when you see the older people getting in trouble, because it's like they gotta have kids and stuff like that. So I always wonder what do their kids think and stuff like that, because this lady is a frequent flyer. She's a frequent flyer. We have a situation a year ago from this. She got in trouble, went to jail. She clearly didn't have warrants back then or whatever, right? So she must have gotten in trouble in between this year time frame again, and a couple of times, because she has 2 warrants and whatever, just disregarded them or whatever she did. And now she's getting in trouble again. So she's had a busy year. It's been a busy 12 months, or well, it's not 11 months. So I wonder what her people and her family and stuff like that think about her actions. Clearly, she's on the street and stuff like that or whatever. Because I think she still had that same backpack that was on her. She had that same backpack in the last video. I'm pretty sure. I don't remember the suitcases and all of that, but I'm pretty sure she had that same backpack. And why does she keep going to the post office and getting in trouble at the post office? Is there some scam going on with the post office or something?
Leave me alone, you.
Have a seat.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest, booked on 2 outstanding warrants from DuPage County and Stevenson County, then released after posting bond with multiple court dates scheduled. Let me know your thoughts in the